Did you know that those nice, relaxing few extra minutes you spend in the shower can make or break your monthly water bill? Let's put it this way. The average person takes a 12-minute shower. With a standard shower head, you're using around 3 gallons of water per minute. That's up to 36 gallons of water for every shower. Now, there are 2 things you can do to save both water and money. First, buy a water-efficient, low-flow shower head. This particular type of shower head only costs around $20 at your local hardware store and uses half the amount of water without sacrificing water pressure. Second, take a shorter shower. Create a playlist on your phone to 6 minutes, or just set a timer. For a truly efficient shower, shut off the water when you're shampooing and lathering. Just a few small changes in your showering habits can add up to a lot of savings, up to 50% savings on your hot water and around 30% on your total water bill. Check out more tips from BPU online at bpu.com.